να μπουνε τα πράγματα σε μια τάξη. Εντάξει, δώσε βάση. Γάμας ό,τι εμπορικό τον εαυτό σου έχεις εντάξει. Και άκου, ίσως σε βγάλει κάπου. Μην ξεχνάς από που ήρθες γιατί θα χαθείς. Ίσως εκεί που φτύνεις τώρα αύριο να γλύφεις ευθύς. Οι μάγκες δεν ακολουθούν, οι μάγκες μπορούν το δρόμο τους θα βρουν. Συμβολιολόγος που θα δεσμευθούν. Κάνουν αυτό που αγαπούν, την τάβλα τους υπηρετούν. Το χι αυτούς που ακούν. Ενδιασμός δεν παίζει κανένας απέναντίας. Γιατί είναι ο λόγος απευθείας της αυθεντίας. Αναμετρήσου το μεγαθύριο δες. Τελείριο στο πλάι της αλήθειας τους πολεμιστές. Εισβολέα στην αρένα μου πες. Θα σε πατήσουμε κι αυτό είναι υπόσχεση κι όχι απλές απειλές. Έτσι είναι.
Once you step in the arena, cheetah, you're gonna see what the fuck. Listen up, got a whole lot of things on my mind. I wanna spit, I ain't shy. So may I. Does this faggot here have any fucking idea how many mics I've touched in my illustrious career? Got mass appeal. To get a rep, I grabbed the steel. Code of the street, and now they have to kneel. Before the bling era, NYC had it locked. Have we forgot? I'll blow your spot. I'm from the days of when Big and Pac used to be tight. Known to get loose with a mic. Nigga, I'm used to the fight. Listen, I ain't your average meat rapper. I'm well acquainted with beats, so of course we keep clappers. Fuck the politics and who's supposed to be nice. I represent what an MC's supposed to be like.
Hennessy was a popular drink and it still is. My name is Wap, considered one of the illest. Mixtape innovator, spit plus killer fader. Never did a bid, but the kid know how to spit a razor. Born in East LA, but the Bronx raised me up. What you want? Motherfucker, we can get it crunk, cracking and popping. This is rockin' and what? A whole lot, bitch.
I can see clearly now, nigga, the rain is gone. Solar supplying tracks we getting famous on. Bodies got laid out once the bangers run. Niggas still wanna play, knowing the game is done. One order, we bring the slaughter like floodwaters. Boy, it's deadly. You not ready. I put in work like a factory, have you losing your faculties. You heard me? You not worthy.